How to fix Facebook login error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Facebook login error. Now, the first thing you want to do is check if Facebook app is updated to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search Facebook. Now, if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that, then update the application to the latest version. Now check if your error is fixed. If it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Facebook icon. Now select the app info icon. This will take you to settings. Here scroll down and find storage. Then tap on clear cache. After that is done, you want to check if your problem is fixed. Now you want to open up settings. Then select the option of connections. Now select Wi-Fi. Here you want to check if your internet connection is working properly. If not, you want to switch with data and then check. Next, you want to make sure that your phone software is updated. For that, head back. Here select software update and make sure that you have installed the latest software update over here. After you have done all of that, check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is simply reinstall the app. For that, uninstall Facebook. Then you simply want to reinstall it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.